North Texas shootout case. Now this one is sparking serious debates across the U.S. A 51-year-old man involved in a dramatic shootout with a teenager in North Texas has just been no-billed by a grand jury, meaning no charges will be filed against him for murder. Yes, you heard right, despite the entire shootout being caught on camera, with bullets flying and chaos in the streets. The grand jury decided there wasn't enough evidence to pursue a murder case. This has now opened a floodgate of reactions. Some say it's self-defense, others call it a miscarriage of justice. What happened? Reports say the teenager was allegedly armed, too, but many are questioning the system. Was this really justice, or does this reflect a broken pattern in how violent encounters are judged in different communities? This story is still developing, and emotions are running high. Let us know in the comments. Do you think the jury made the right call, or was this a dangerous precedent?
Neighborhood cameras show who police say is 51-year-old Larry Robertson stopping in the middle of Fountain Drive near Canterbury Lane. He's seen getting out the car and began shooting a rifle at 19-year-old Kassan Henderson, who was walking on the sidewalk. Now, police say Henderson fired back before running away, and shortly after, he died from his injuries. Now, as you can see, the shooting happened in broad daylight around 11:30 a.m. on April 27th. And last week, Robertson was no-billed by a Dallas County grand jury, meaning he was not indicted for murder. Now, while that decision has many asking why, we are having a hard time getting answers from those directly involved. We did, however, sit down with a police expert, James Hawthorne, and Hawthorne is not involved in the investigation in any way, but he says sometimes what the public sees in the video may be different once more information is learned in an investigation. He says the grand jury could have been provided additional information or evidence that may not be public knowledge yet. He says the outcome also depends on arguments of prosecutors and the defense.
It turned out that they were able to prove up self-defense in this particular situation, even though the video would seem to support or suggest otherwise. But if I was a prosecutor, I would try to shoot that argument down by saying this person had an opportunity to drive away and not engage, which would have prevented the situation, or could have possibly